Hi, my name is Lorraine, and I'm going to be making this tutorial on the website Nearpod. Nearpod is a website which allows teachers or other educators to show students different ways of learning. So I will show you what it does. You can sign in here, and you can make a login and account with them through Google or with Office. So let me sign in really quick, and I will show you what this does. So once you log into Nearpod, you're going to see these different tabs: My Library, Explore, Join, Create, and Reports. Reports is for the quizzes that you can make, which is really fun for the students. So let's go on to Explore. And in Nearpod, they will have free lessons already set up for you. And with the free lessons, you will be able to preview them, or you can buy already made lessons here. Or you could also make your very own. So I will show you. They have math, social studies, science, ELA, digital citizenship, or you can create your own, like I said, and it's pretty easy. You click on Add Slide, and then you will add content. You can choose the color background you want. And then you can choose images, videos from online. You can add text. So we'll just add an image here for time's sake. And you go ahead and add that. With this, you can also add little quizzes. So I'm going to go ahead and add a slide, and you can add an activity. So here you can take polls, quizzes, you can ask them to draw something, open-ended questions, and I love this because it keeps students thinking and on their toes. Another thing that I really enjoyed about this site is that it can either be teacher-led or student-paced. So I use this to take my 4th grade students on a virtual field trip, and I'll show you really quick. I created this social studies lesson right here. I will go ahead and make this student paced so you guys can see it if you'd like after this tutorial. So once you do make the lesson live or student paced, it's going to give you a code, and basically your students will type this code in on nearpod.com on their computer or tablet or whatever they use, and it will begin the lesson for them. So once you go in, you will be able to see the content. And these are the slides I made for them. What I really liked about this is that I was able to incorporate a quiz at the end with the definitions that I added in this social studies lesson. And the virtual field trip part was really fun for them. They were learning about missions, so it was stuff we had already touched on, but they aren't going to actually visit a California mission until later in the school year, I believe in April. So they're able to see the pictures that I added, and they're actually able to look around and tour around it, which is really cool. A lot of them were just so surprised that they were able to actually look around, look up and down. They really enjoyed this. Let me see if it shows the quiz. Oh, here it is. And here's the short quiz I just incorporated. Couple different definitions, and you can put polls in here, like I said, open-ended questions, or a quiz just as I did, and then you're able to see how the students did at the very end. And that is my short tutorial for Nearpod. I hope you liked it, and please go check it out. Have a great day.